हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन टू द प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ सक्सेस कैप्सूल। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे सीडीएस का जनरल स्टडीज़ का एग्ज़ाम जो कि कंडक्ट हुआ है 7 फेब 2021 को। हम लोग जो डी सेट है वो डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें ताकि जब भी हम कोई लेटेस्ट वीडियो अपलोड करें तो आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिले। सो लेट्स बिगिन आवर डिस्कशन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि इन प्रॉपर्टीज को देख के, इन करेक्टरिस्टिक्स को देख के हमें बताना है टाइप ऑफ सॉइल। द सॉइल विच इज रिच इन लाइम, आयरन, मैग्नीशियम एंड एल्यूमिनियम, they are generally clayey, deep and impermeable. They are mainly found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. So here the answer is D, black soil. Black soil also contains potash, but they lack in phosphorus, nitrogen and organic matter. अरेबिका, रोबस्टा और लिब्रिका जो है दे आर वैरायटी ऑफ कॉफ़ी। नेक्स्ट है अल्मीनियम इज मैन्युफैक्चर फ्रॉम, तो बी, बॉक्साइट ऑयल। कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो इस एग्जाम में बहुत ज़्यादा इजी हैं, उन क्वेश्चंस को कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा रिपीट होते हैं इन वेरियस एग्जाम्स। नेक्स्ट, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सी पोर्ट्स गेन सिग्निफिकेंस फॉर हैंडलिंग आयरन और एक्सपोर्ट्स टू जापान, तो आंसर इज डी, मोरमुगाओ पोर्ट इन गोवा. It gained significance after remodeling in 1961 to handle iron ore exports to Japan. Next, which one of the following is not a function of money? It acts as intermediate in the exchange process. This is correct. That's why it is called a medium of exchange. Act as a store of value, used as the unit of account. D is incorrect. It is not used for regulating consumption. Next, the situation where the equilibrium level of real GDP falls short of potential GDP is known as, answer is A, recessionary gap. A recessionary gap occurs when real GDP is less than potential GDP and that brings a falling price level. Next, the excess of total expenditure of government over its total receipts excluding borrowings is known as, so this is fiscal deficit. So B is the correct answer. Next, exchange rates states that the value of one currency in terms of other currencies. Exchange rates state the value of one currency in terms of other currencies. Which one of the following statement with respect to exchange rate of currency is correct? So here the correct statement is B. Fixed exchange rates are rates set by government decisions and maintained by government actions. The floating exchange rates or flexible exchange rates, they are determined by forces of market of demand and supply. So A here is incorrect. Under Bretton Woods, the exchange rate are floated in terms of rise or fall in prices of gold. This is also incorrect क्योंकि अर्लियर जो था वो गोल्ड को स्टैंडर्ड माना जाता, गोल्ड को जो है बेंचमार्क माना जाता था, लेकिन अब नहीं. Under the classical gold standard, the exchange rates were fixed in terms of gold, not price of dollar. Francois Bernier was a physician too. तो answer is D, Prince Dara Sikho. He was elder son of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. और जो फ्रैंकिस बर्नियर थे, he was a French traveler and physician. Next, which one of the following British firms was taken over by Surajmal Nagarmul Group? तो answer is A, McLeod. Next, which one of the following statements with regard to Raitwari system is not correct? So here D is the incorrect statement. In principle, it strengthens the former allied the zamindars and weakens the peasantry. This is incorrect because under this system the settlement was made by the government directly with the cultivator Royat, who thus was the proprietor but only for a period of time. So this was exactly opposite to zamindari system. So D here is incorrect. Which one of the following statements about British Indian medical services is not correct? So here C is incorrect. Indians were never admitted to IMS. This is incorrect. It was established in 1764. It was a military medical service which had some civilian functions. Many of its officers were both British and Indians, and it was abolished in 1947. Next, when was the monopoly of China trade lost by East India Company? So answer here is B, by Charter Act of 1833. Next, National Disaster Management Authority is headed by, the answer here is A, the Prime Minister. Which of the following statements regarding the casting vote in the parliament are correct? So here correct answer is B. It is cast by speaker or a person acting as such. This is correct. Next, it is cast in addition to voting in the first instance. This is incorrect. It is cast in the case of equality of votes. This is correct. अगर किसी भी वोटिंग के स्टांस पे जो येस और नो अगर इक्वल हो जाते हैं, द क्वेश्चन इज डिसाइडेड बाय कास्टिंग वोट ऑफ द चेयर. So under Indian constitution, the speaker or person acting as such cannot vote in a division. He or she only can cast a vote in case of equality of votes. So B is the correct answer. Next, equality before law or equal protection of law जो है, it comes under article 14. Here article 15, it prohibits discrimination of Indians on basis of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Then article 16, it guarantees equal opportunity to all citizens in matters related to employment in public sector. And article 22 is related to protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Legal positivism theory was developed by, so answer here is C, John Austin. Who among the following said that democracy means a system of government by consent? So answer here is A, John Locke. Next, Milpa and Ladang are different names for shifting cultivation, zoom cultivation. So जो Milpa term है, it is used in Mexico and Central America, and the Ladang term is used in Java and Indonesia. Which one of the following approaches of human development was initially proposed by International Labour Organization and emphasized on health, education, food, water supply, sanitation, housing? Answer here is B, basic needs approach. Next, which one of the following elements is a non-metal but is lustrous? So lustrous is defined as the metals which have shiny appearance. So iodine is a non-metal but it is lustrous. Next, which one of the following metal has both malleability and ductility properties? So answer here is B, gold. Gold, copper, silver, they are malleable and ductile. Next, we are given 3 copper wires of different lengths and different areas of cross section. Which one of the following would have highest resistivity? So as we know, rho is equal to Ra by length. So answer here is C. Which one of the following statements about fission is correct? So it is related with creation of new individuals by means of cell division in unicellular organism. This is correct regarding to binary fission. Then nuclear fission is defined as splitting of a heavier nuclei into 2 daughter nuclei. So 1 and 2 are correct here. So C is the correct answer. Which one of the following is an electric conductor? So प्लास्टिक शीट और वुडन थिन शीट तो पहले ही कट हो गया. जिनको डिस्टिल वाटर में कंफ्यूजन होगी, इट इज अ पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिकॉज इट डज नॉट कंटेन एनी डिजॉल्व सॉल्ट्स. So C, human body is the correct answer. Next, a non-spherical shining spoon can generally be considered as, so your answer will be plane mirror. Bulged out part of spoon act like a convex mirror. Part of the spoon that is bent inwards, it acts like. Next, a non-spherical shining spoon can generally be considered as a, the answer here is C, plane mirror. Next, who amongst the following is the pioneer in discovering the heating effect of electric current? So this is C, James Prescott Joule. That's why it is known as Joule's heating effect. Next, which one of the following laws of electromagnetism does not give the direction of magnetic field? Right hand thumb rule, Fleming left hand, right hand. So D, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction जो है, does not give the direction of magnetic field. Next, an antibiotic is not useful against a virus, whereas a vaccine is. Which one of the following statement is most appropriate reason for this? So here the correct answer is D. A virus does not use biochemical pathways which can be blocked by an antibiotic, but a vaccine can boost an immune system to fight the virus. So antibiotic is a kind of antimicrobial drug active mainly against bacteria. So antibiotics are unable to inhibit the reverse transcriptase enzyme present in the viruses through which they convert their RNA into DNA. Next, sleeping sickness is caused by, so A is the correct answer, trypanosoma. It is transmitted by thistle fly and it is found only in sub-Saharan Africa. Next, which one of the following is a free living animal? So answer is D, planaria. Next, which one of the following is the structure of cardiac muscle cell? So answer here is D, cylindrical, branched and uninucleate. The muscle of heart are involuntary in nature and the heart muscles show rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout life. Next, which one of the following naturally occurring acid is found in abundance in tomatoes? So if we talk about abundance, so then answer will be citric acid. Otherwise, oxalic acid is also found in tomatoes. Tomatoes contain more than 10 types of acids, but the most prominent, if we talk about, then it's citric and malic. Next, which one of the following is used in soda acid fire extinguishers? So B, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Soda acid fire extinguishers comprises of sodium bicarbonate and sulfuric acids. Next, which one of the following sodium compound is used for softening hard water? So answer here is A. Washing soda or sodium carbonate is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Next, calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce slaked lime, whose solution is used for whitewashing walls. This slaked lime reacts with component A in the air to form a thin layer of component B to give us a shiny finish. So here the correct answer is D. Quicklime is used for whitewashing as it produces calcium hydroxide when it reacts with water and absorbs carbon dioxide from the environment. So here A is carbon dioxide. As a result, it produces calcium carbonate, which creates a hard coating on the walls. Next, how many internal reflections of light take place in formation of primary rainbow? So answer here is B, 1. During the formation of primary rainbow, total internal reflection occurs only a single time, while a secondary rainbow is formed by a light ray that underwent total 2 internal reflections. Next, the direction of acceleration in uniform circular motion is along the, answer here is B, tangent to the circle at the point of observation. The acceleration is always directed towards the center of the circle. Next, the weight of an object is due to, so answer here is C, the force that it exerts on the ground. The weight of an object is net force on a falling object or its gravitational force. W is equal to m into g. Next, the size of particles being studied in nanotechnology is about, it's B, 1 to 100 nanometer. Next, which one of the following is correct about Pinaka? So it is a multi-barrel rocket system indigenously developed by DRDO. Next, which one of the following is not a member of Quad group of nations? So answer here is France, USA, Australia, Japan and India. They form Quad, which is Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. Next is the first phase of exercise Malabar 2020 was conducted at, answer is C, Vishakhapatnam. The first phase was conducted in Bay of Bengal. Malabar exercise, it started in 1992, but the speciality this year was that Australia participated in it for the first time. Next, Hollywood actor Sir Sean Connery, who died recently, was popularly known for portrayal role of, answer is D, James Bond. He was a Scottish actor. ये जितने भी 4 क्वेश्चंस है, अगर आपने हमारे चैनल पे करंट अफेयर्स की सीरीज देखी होगी तो ये चारों क्वेश्चंस मैंने डिस्कस किए हुए हैं और इन चारों में मैंने बार बार यही चीज़ कही हुई कि इनके आने के चांसेस काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैं. नेक्स्ट, द लुहरी हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट इज बीइंग कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन द रिवर, आंसर इज ए, सतलुज. It is situated in Shimla and Kullu districts of Himachal. It's a 210 megawatt hydroelectric power project. Next is Cooperation Afloat Readiness and Training Bangladesh 2020 was a joint naval exercise between Bangladesh and, answer is B, US. Next, Peninsula Shield Force is a military arm of, answer is C, Gulf Cooperation Council. In 1984, GCC decided to create joint military of soldiers divided into 2 brigades called Peninsula Shield Force based in Saudi Arabia near Kuwaiti and Iraqi borders. Next, which one of the following ship was involved in Mission Sagar 2? So answer here is D, INS Aravat. So Mission Sagar 2 में सूडान, साउथ सूडान, जिबूती और रिटिया जो है इन कंट्रीज को कवर किया गया है. Next, in the year 2020, which one of the following tiger reserve of India was declared by UNESCO as a biosphere reserve? So answer is A, Panna Tiger Reserve. So it is the third tiger reserve in MP to be included in the list. Earlier they were Panchmari and Amarkantak. Next, the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation system was in news recently. It is constructed in, answer is Telangana. It is in Telangana on the Godavari river. So here I'm gonna repeat again क्वेश्चन 45 to 50. मैंने अपने करंट अफेयर्स में जो मंथली करंट अफेयर इस चैनल पे डिस्कस हो रहा है उनमें इन सारे क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस किया हुआ है बेयरिंग द पेनिनसुला शील्ड फोर्स. तो अगर आप उस करंट अफेयर्स को देखेंगे तो मैंने उनमें भी यही स्ट्रेस दिया था कि जितनी चीज़ें न्यूज़ में होती हैं दे आर क्वाइट रेलिवेंट फॉर एग्जाम परस्पेक्टिव, क्योंकि करंट अफेयर की कोई स्पेसिफिकेशन नहीं होती है कि इस एग्जाम में पूछा जाएगा और उसमें नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट इज सेल वॉल इज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन सेल्स ऑफ, आंसर इज डी ह्यूमंस. Cell wall is present in algae, fungi, plants, bacteria and archaea. It's not present in cells of humans. Next, a child receives a tall beautiful plant as a birthday gift from his father with a quiz. The father asked her how she would verify whether this tall plant was the progeny of both the tall parents or one tall and one short parent plant. So she could verify this through, so answer here is B, self pollination. A true breeding line is one that, having undergone continuous self-pollination, shows the stable trait inheritance and expression for several generations. So B is the correct answer. Next, a student was doing an experiment on increasing the cell division among plants. She asked her supervisor to suggest the specific plant hormone for the same. Had you been her supervisor, which plant hormone would you suggest? So answer will be C, cytokinine, because they promote cell division. They are produced in growing areas such as meristems at tip of the shoot. Next, which cell organelles have their own DNA and ribosomes? So answer here is B, mitochondria and plastids. Next, osmosis is the process of movement of water molecules from its, answer here is D, higher concentration to its lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Next, growing of two or more crops simultaneously on the same field in a definite pattern is known as, answer here is B, intercropping. Mix तब होता है जब they are not grown in alternating rows, but here a definite pattern is formed, so this is intercropping. Next, when we heat lead nitrate in a boiling tube, we observe the emission of brown fumes. Which one of the following is the brown gas? So answer is D, nitrogen dioxide. When lead nitrate undergo decomposition reaction, so yellow color, it gives yellow color lead oxide, colorless gas of oxygen, and brown color nitrogen dioxide. Next, which one of the following substances do silver articles react with that makes the silver articles black? So answer is A, sulfur. Next, which one of the following metals is kept immersed in kerosene oil to protect it to prevent accidental fire? So answer here is B, sodium. Sodium is highly reactive and it reacts vigorously with the oxygen, carbon dioxide and moisture present in air, such that it may even cause a fire. So to prevent this explosive reaction, sodium is kept immersed in kerosene. Next, a solution contains 20 gram of solute in 180 gram of solvent. If the solvent is water, what is the concentration of the solution in terms of mass by mass percentage? तो आंसर here is C, 10%. मास ऑफ सल्यूट है आपको गिवन है 20 ग्राम्स, मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट गिवन है 180 ग्राम्स. सो एडिंग बोथ 200 grams, mass of solution will be 200 grams. So concentration is mass of solute divided by mass of solute into mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. So 20 into 100 divided by 200, you will get 10%. Next, which one of the following statements is not correct? So C here is incorrect. Nominal GDP is calculated by valuing outputs of different years at constant prices. But in actual, nominal GDP is simply the value of GDP at current prevailing prices, not constant prices. Next, the mismatch in the regional or occupational pattern of job vacancies and the pattern of work availability results in, answer is A, structural unemployment. So next, the situation in an economy which is growing slowly along with rapid inflation, it is called stagflation. C is the correct answer. Next, the increase in private investment spending induced by increase in government spending, it is known as, answer is A, crowding in. Crowding in occurs when higher government spending leads to increase in private sector investment. Next, the asset or assets that a borrower pledges in order to guarantee repayment of a loan, it is called as collateral. So B is the correct answer. कुछ क्वेश्चंस इतने सिंपल हैं कि उनकी कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Next, the percentage by which the money the borrower pay backs exceed the money that was borrowed, it is called as real interest rate. Next, which one of the following statement is about Gandhi-Irwin Pact is correct? So D statement is correct. The Congress agreed to take part in second roundtable conference. Under it, the Indian National Congress would stop the civil disobedience movement. It was agreed. The withdrawal of all ordinances that curb the activities of Congress, withdrawal of all prosecutions except those involving violent crimes, then release of those who were arrested for taking in the civil disobedience movement, and removal of salt tax. So these were the terms of Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Next, who among the following founded the Bhil Seva Mandal in 1922? So answer is D, Amritlal Vittal Das Thakkar, जिनको ठक्कर बाबा भी कहते हैं. He was an Indian social worker who worked for upliftment of tribal people in Gujarat. In 1911, who among the following introduced a bill in Imperial Legislative Council for introduction of compulsory and free primary education in India? So answer here is D, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He introduced the bill to implement the principle of compulsory primary education for children of 6 to 10 years age. Next, which one of the following statements about Act 5 of 1843 relating to slavery in India is correct? तो अगर आप इसमें थोड़ा सा कॉमन सेंस लगाएंगे तो यू विल इजीली गेट द आंसर विदाउट नोइंग एनीथिंग. इट डिनाइड द मास्टर्स द यूज ऑफ कोर्ट्स टू असर्ट देयर क्लेम्स ऑन स्लेव्स. तो अगर स्लेवरी आपको फ्री करनी है तो इट डिनाइड मास्टर्स द यूज ऑफ कोर्ट्स टू असर्ट देयर क्लेम्स ऑन स्लेव्स. सो कोई भी जो मास्टर था वो क्लेम नहीं कर सकता था ऑन स्लेव्स. नेक्स्ट, विच मराठा स्टेटमैन साइन द ट्रीटी ऑफ बेसीन ऑन December 31, 1802? So answer here is A, Bajirao II. The treaty was decisive step in dissolution of Maratha Confederacy, which led to East India Company's absorption of the Peshwa's territories in Western India in 1818. Next, the Amar Naika system was a major political innovation of which Indian imperial rulers? So answer is D, Vijayanagar. And this system was derived from Ikta system of Delhi Sultanate. The Amar Naikas were military commanders who were given territories to govern by the Raya. Next, Kiran, knowledge involvement in research advancement through nurturing is an initiative to provide opportunities to women scientists who had a break in their career due to family reasons. So it is an initiative by Department of Science and Technology for promoting women in science. Nidhi is an umbrella scheme for the promotion of, answer is A, young and aspiring innovators. Nidhi is national initiative for development and harnessing innovations. Next, the Saubhagya scheme aims at universal, answer is B, household electrification. This is Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana, launched in 2017. Next, Mission Indradhanush aims at, answer is D, full immunization of children. Under it, 12 vaccines are provided and it was launched for the first time in 2014. Which one of the following statements related to Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushal Yojana is not correct? So D is not correct. It relies entirely on skill training by government agencies, which is incorrect. It under the scheme partners with civil society organizations, government and private organizations for the skilling. और बाकी तीनों जो points है they are correct and it was launched in 2014. Next, which of the following statements about Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana are correct? First, it is part of Government of India's poverty reduction strategy. This is correct. And it was launched on 25th December 2000 and it is a 100% centrally sponsored scheme. So, dono statements correct. And next, it provides connectivity in rural areas. This is also correct. So, A is the correct answer. Next, India's territorial limit extends towards sea up to, answer is B, 12 nautical miles. Which one of the following is a cold ocean current? Answer is D, California current. It is a cold water Pacific Ocean current. Now match list 1 with 2. So answer here is B. Brindavan Das wrote Chaitanya Mangal. Krishna Das Kaviraj wrote Chaitanya Charit Amrita. Mukund Varman Chakravarti wrote Chandi Mangal. Rameshwar Bhattacharya wrote Shiva Sankirtan. Next, which one of the following scholars of Akbar's court translated Bhaskaracharya's Leelavati into Persian? Answer is B. Faizi. Next, who among the following was the chairman of National Commission for Review of Working of the Constitution 2000? So it was a 11-member commission headed by retired Chief Justice of India, M.N. Venkatachile. So A is the correct answer. Next, M.M. Punchi Commission on Center-State Relations has recommended the disposal of a bill reserved for consideration of Union Executive within. Answer is B. 6 months. Next, who among the following founded the Marathi newspaper Kesari? So answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, which is Lokmanya Tilak. A is the correct answer. Which mega public sector undertaking is designated with Navratna status? So answer here is D. Bharat Electronics Limited. ये तीनों जो हैं they are Maharatnas. They are Maharatnas. Next, which of the following statements with regard to creation of new state or alteration boundaries of state are correct? An amendment has to be moved in Parliament under Article 368 of Constitution of India. This is correct. Next, ratification by one half of states is necessary after the amendment is made by the Parliament. This is incorrect. Next, the legislation can be passed by simple majority of both houses of Parliament. So 1 and 3 are correct. A is the correct answer. Which one of the following is the largest linguistic group of India? So answer is C. Indo-Aryan. Next, which one of the following water bodies separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands? So answer is B. 10-degree channel. Next, which one of the following longitudes is the standard meridian of India? So answer is B. Next, list 1 list 2 मैच करनी है. So 91 का जो correct answer है that is B. So cyclones हम mostly खुद ही न्यूज़ में सुनते हैं. जो hurricanes हैं वो एसोसिएटेड है अटलांटिक के साथ, टाइफून साउथ चाइना में और विली विली जो है वो वेस्टर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. नेक्स्ट, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आर सोशल सिक्योरिटी स्कीम्स? अटल पेंशन योजना, प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना, प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना. सो ऑल ऑफ 3. सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग यूनिट्स इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ ऑल इंडिया रेडियोज ट्रांसक्रिप्शन एंड प्रोग्राम एक्सचेंज सर्विस? सो आंसर हियर इज सी. एडवांस रिसर्च यूनिट. इसके अंदर सेंट्रल आर्काइव्स हैं, प्रोग्राम एक्सचेंज यूनिट है, डिजिटल साउंड आर्काइव्स है, कमर्शियल रिलीज एंड मार्केटिंग है, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन यूनिट है. सो सी इज द आंसर हियर. नेक्स्ट, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट पंचायती राज सिस्टम आर करेक्ट? फर्स्ट, ऑल सीट्स इन पंचायत आर फिल्ड बाय पर्सन चूजन बाय डायरेक्ट इलेक्शन. दिस इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, द ग्राम सभा कंसिस्ट ऑफ पर्सन रजिस्टर्ड इन विलेज इलेक्टोरल रोल्स. दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. Next, the chairperson of a panchayat is elected in accordance with a law passed by each state. This is also correct. Next, all states in India have a 3-tier system of panchayats. This is incorrect. So B is the correct answer. There are many states like Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, 6 scheduled areas जहाँ पे पंचायती राज सिस्टम ही नहीं है. Plus, panchayats at intermediate level may not be constituted in a state having a population not exceeding 20 lakhs. Next, which of the following statements are correct? The election to the panchayat are conducted by State Election Commission. This is correct. Next, the State Election Commissioner is appointed by Chief Election Commissioner of India. This is incorrect. State Election Commissioner is appointed by the governor of the respected state. Next, or the concerned state. Next, the state legislatures have the power to make law on all matters relating to panchayat elections. This is correct. So 1 and 3 are correct. D is the correct answer. Next, which one of the following is not correct description of union cabinet? It is part of parliament. It is responsible to parliament. It remains in part till it enjoys the confidence of the parliament. These 3 statements are correct. A person from outside the parliament can never be appointed member of the cabinet. This is incorrect. So this is the answer here. Sometimes a person who is not a member of parliament can also become a minister, but such a person has to be get elected to one of the house of parliament within 6 months of appointment as minister. So can never word जो है ये गलत है यहाँ. So D जो है इसका correct answer है. Next, which one of the following statements about composition of parliament is not correct? Representative of states in Rajya Sabha are elected directly by the people. This is incorrect. The representatives of states in Rajya Sabha are elected by the elected members of state legislative assemblies. The election is held in accordance with system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote, and the seats are allocated to the states in Rajya Sabha on the basis of population. Next, which among the following fundamental rights are available to non-citizens? So answer here is C. Protection against self-incrimination and freedom of conscience. These two are given to the non-citizens as well. जो फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच है, जो 6 राइट्स हैं हमारे, स्पीच ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, असेंबली, एसोसिएशन, मूवमेंट, रेजिडेंस और प्रोफेशन जो है, दे आर गिवन टू सिटीजन्स ओनली. सो आर्टिकल 19 जो है इट्स गिवन टू सिटीजन्स ओनली. नेक्स्ट, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट? फर्स्ट इज he is not eligible for re-election, so this is not correct. He may be elected for any number of terms. Next, a motion of no confidence is moved against. So answer here is B, Council of Ministers, because Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to Lok Sabha and it remains in office till it enjoys confidence of majority of the members in Lok Sabha. So a motion of confidence is moved to remove the Council of Ministers. Next, which one of the following tributaries of river Indus feeds canal system of Bhakra Nangal project? So answer here is Satluj river in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh. Next, when the river discharges their waters from all directions into a lake or depression, the pattern is known as D, centripetal. Next, which one of the following statement about Crowley's force is not correct? So it is maximum at poles, it is absent at equator. These two are correct. It deflects the wind to the right direction in southern hemisphere. This is incorrect. It deflects the direction of wind to the right in northern hemisphere and left in southern hemisphere. Next, chronologically arrange the following treaties signed between Marathas and British. So Treaty of Salbai 1782, Treaty of Purandar is 1776, Convention of Vadgaon 1779, Treaty of Surat is 1775. So answer here will be A. Next, which of the following statements about sannyasi and fakir disturbances or rebellions are correct? Governor General Von Hastings faced the persistent sannyasi and fakir disturbances in Bengal and Bihar. This is correct. There were a number of Shivaite Naga sannyasis who formed into armed bands. This is also correct. Next is Majnu Shah, who led bands in Bengal from 1771, was their prominent leader. So all these three statements are correct. So B is the correct answer. And this rebellion was centered in forest of Murshidabad in Bengal. Next, in 1943, young leaders in which one of the following districts of Maharashtra set up parallel government with volunteer corps and village units? So answer is D, Stara. Named Prati Sarkar was organized under leaders like Y.B. Chavan, Nana Patil. Village libraries and Nyaydan mandals were organized. Prohibition campaigns were carried out on and Gandhi marriages were organized under it. Next, who founded the Central Hindu School at Banaras, which was later developed into Banaras Hindu University? So answer here is B, Annie Besant. The Central Hindu Boys School had been established on July 7, 1898 in a rented house in Varanasi by Annie Besant. Next, which one of the following is not a feature of centralization? So national unity, uniformity और prosperity to some extent, but liberty नहीं हो सकता centralization में. So D is not a feature of centralization. Next, which one of the following is not an objective of नीति आयोग? तो अगर हम नीति आयोग की बात करें तो it is national institution for transforming India. It was formed in 2015 replacing planning commission. So basically एक think tank है. तो अगर हम सारी options को देखें तो clearly पता चलता है कि जो डी है वो इनकरेक्ट है. इट ऑफर्स अ प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ इंटर स्टेट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स as provider of first and last resort. So this is not the objective of Niti Aayog. Next, Article 231 of Constitution of India grants power to establish common high court for two or more states to parliament. So A is the correct answer. Next, which one among the following motions cannot be made while introducing an ordinary bill in the parliament? That the bill be taken into consideration. This is correct. That the bill be circulated for the purpose of electing public opinion. This is also correct. That the bill be referred to a select committee. This is also correct. That the bill be referred to a joint committee of the house without the concurrence of the other house. यहाँ पे जो without word है, it makes this statement incorrect. The bill to be referred to a joint committee of the houses with the concurrence of the other house. So D is incorrect. Next, which among the following was eliminated by 44th Amendment Act? So answer here is C, right to property. 44th Amendment Act 1978. It struck down Article 19(1) subsection F and Article 31. So अब जो right to property है, it's a legal right now. Next, identify the crop on the basis of following characteristics. It is a kharif crop. As, Aman and Boro are its three different growing periods. About 1/4 of total cropped area of India is under its cultivation. So this is rice. In states like Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year. As, Aman and Boro. Which one of the following is a type of igneous rock? So answer is C, granite. Next, ozone layer which absorbs the ultraviolet radiation is found in which one of the following layers of atmosphere? So answer is D, stratosphere. Next, which one of the following statements about primary waves of earthquakes is not correct? So the primary waves, they are similar to sound waves. They move faster and are first to arrive at the surface. They travel through gaseous, liquid and solid materials. So B is incorrect. Next, alluvial soils vary in nature from sandy loam to clay. They are generally, so answer is D, they are generally rich in potash and poor in phosphorus. Next, who among the following was popularly known as Lok Hitwadi? So answer is A, Gopal Hari Deshmukh was popularly known as Lok Hitwadi. Next is, who among the following socialist activists persuaded Gandhiji not to restrict the Salt March protest to men alone? So answer is A, Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay. So which one of the following painters was not associated with Humayun? So answer is D, Behzad. So Behzad was patronized by the Safavid king of Iran. So not by Humayun. So with this our discussion on CDS paper concluded here. अगर आपको कोई भी doubt हो, please do comment in the comment section. Your comments are highly valuable. If you appreciate our effort, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.